G'day guys, Luke Stevens from Port Shipping Containers. Today we're showing off one of our latest builds. This one, although it looks like a standard shipping container with a door, is actually a containerised ablution unit. Come on, let's have a look inside. God, that's better. This unit has got 3 toilets, a shower and a large trough, as well as 2 hand basins down the other end for washing up. We've matched it beautifully with an insulated roof, plenty of power for lighting and an extraction fan to keep the smell at bay. This particular ablution unit has its hot water system installed behind the container doors. This is perfect as it's completely separate from the inside and with plenty of room for servicing or maintenance if needed. We've opted for a Renai 250 litre system. This has the capacity to be able to service the shower and both hand basins all day. This unit can be arranged in multiple different options. We've got 20 footers, 40 footers, male, female, or toilets, or showers, or urinals. Anything you need, we can construct. Give us a call today and we'll go through a few options with you.